Hello. This year, Toronto Film Festival, Sundance Film Festival, Berlin Film Festival, like about 20 film festivals have taken a decision to do the festivals using YouTube channel. They will be showing all the films on YouTube from 27th May till 7th of June. All these festivals have come together to do this experiment because of the COVID-19 pandemic, it is not possible to conduct shows in the theaters and it's very difficult for people to travel internationally. So this is the solution they have come out with to have the festivals using YouTube. Thereby, all the spectators, all the film lovers around the world will be able to watch these festivals on YouTube. These films will not have any advertisement. The revenue for this actually will be collected using a payment gateway when you are registering for the festival. So everybody who is registering for the festival will make a donation to World Health Organization and also for the local bodies which are helping the COVID-19 relief operation. This is a first of its kind experiment in the world, and the success depends on how many people participate in it. This is the first time such an experiment is being made. So there are certain drawbacks, but still there are 2-3 things which are really good is that all the festivals which are normally competing for each other are coming together. There is going to be a world audience for all these festivals rather than the local audience, and the people, the film lovers around the world will be able to watch this film because many people, in spite of they want to do this, they cannot attend all this film festival because they don't have the time and money to travel. So this is really going to be a new kind of experiment, and if this becomes successful, this may set a trend for future film festivals. Although this is one such experiment being done this year because of the COVID-19 pandemic situation, and hopefully the situation will get cleared very soon and 2021 might see the film festival back in their action at their location in the big screens. This is the first time a festival will be held on YouTube, so you will miss certain things like the very attractive and glamorous red carpet entries, the master classes where people interact and ask questions, and then there are exhibitions associated with the film industry from various governments, various film cities around the world, showcasing the facility what they have. So all these things will be missing, but rather than cancelling an entire film festival, they have come out with an option whereby they are able to conduct the festival this year in spite of the lockdown period existing all over the world. So this is a first of its kind effort being made. There are 2-3 things which are happening which are good for the world, that all these festivals which are normally competing with each other are coming together. Secondly, all the film lovers who want to watch this film will be able to watch it from their house and free of cost without any advertisements. But then there are certain drawbacks also, like when you watch it on a very big screen with subtitles, it is easy to read subtitles on a big screen, which may not be possible, particularly if you are watching the movies on your mobile. In spite of all these things, the effort which is being made is to satisfy all the film lovers and to keep the film festival spirit alive, which will definitely help us